welcome back to Mika Reacts and Reviews. Same day, same shirt, different video. Today we are going to react to Bad Wolves Zombie. I really like the original song, and I think this is like a tribute or something. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this because I really enjoy the original, and so I'm actually really excited to react to it. And it's not like hip-hop is not what we're usually been doing, but to be completely honest guys, my everyday genre isn't actually hip-hop. It's more like rock, punk, grunge, alternative, underground, you know, stuff like that. But I love all music in general except heavy metal, because I can't get into it. I don't understand what they're saying. I like all other rock and rolls with that. Okay, now the fucking metal fans are gonna come at me. Okay, never mind, let's see. On January 15th, 2018, the Cranberries' Dolores O'Riordan was set to reprise her iconic vocals on Bad Wolves and Zombie. That day she tragically left the world. In her memory, Bad Wolves released this song, donating proceeds to her children.
Another head hangs slowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken?
His voice is amazing, but we don't hear her voice. His voice is amazing though, but like, you know, her voice is the iconic voice from this song, but I love it anyway.
But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their drones. In your head, they are crying.
I got like goosebumps. I love this song. I should have put on like a different t-shirt. Like I feel like you need like a rocker tee or something. Okay, anyway, let's go.
What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie.
Oh my god, it's so amazing. I know I should be reacting more. I'm just like kind of enjoying the song because like I said, it's my favorite song. One of my favorite songs. It's amazing. His voice is so amazing. I still like, you know, I keep thinking of her voice, so it's like I want her voice, but I guess she's not here to record it. Rest in peace. I honestly didn't even know she passed away. But yeah, let's continue.
Another mother's breaking heart is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme in 2018.
Oh my god, I love rock music, dude. It just hits me a certain way. You know, rock music, and this might sound weird, but rock music and really, really good orchestra music hits me the same exact way. I can like headbang to orchestra music, best believe. This is amazing. Again, his voice is amazing. I think it's a great tribute. This song came out in the, I think this was a very like anti-war song at the time. But I still think it's still legitimate because the war still goes on, right? Because that's what a lot of the music was back then, very anti-establishment. Too bad we don't have more of those people around. Okay, let's continue. Open that.
It's the same old theme in 2018. In your head, they are dying.
I'm assuming that this represents her, this woman in gold with the wig, looking like walk like the Egyptian lady. Okay.
What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop it. What's in your head? In your head. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
I like that part. I still think she did it better. They're doing it justice though. They're doing it justice. She's the original, right? She's the original. Okay, let's go. Let me say this. I do believe her vocals were better, but I don't think they're trying to be better than her. They're just different. But their instrumental is better. Their instrumental I'm fucking rocking with. And their voice is good. I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just saying she's the original voice. So like, yeah. Okay, let's continue. Her lyrics confronted the collateral damage of the political unrest, captured the same sentiment we wanted to express a quarter century later. That's what they kept saying, same 2018, same 2016. This is a testament to the kind of enduring artist Dolores was and will remain forever. Tammy Vex Bad Wolves. That is very true. She's never gonna be forgotten. There's fucking kids who know she is. The fucking new Gen Z, or whatever you fucking call them. They know who she is. Or if they don't know who she is, they know her song. Like, this is, can you imagine being that type of artist that's just like cemented forever? Cemented forever. Like a Michael Jackson. I know everyone knows who Michael Jackson is. Or Whitney Houston. Or, you know, like Eminem, I guess. Like, people who are gonna be cemented forever. That was amazing. That was really, really amazing. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I really was indulging myself in this video. Like, I didn't really react. I think I just was like enjoying it. If you guys want me to react to any more rock songs, I most likely will just be enjoying it. Because like, rock songs do have messages, but I feel like for me, it's easy to break down rock because you can catch it and really break it down. I'm not saying rock does, you can't do that, but I feel like for me rock music is more like just really appreciating the vocals, the sound, the tone, appreciating the instrumental, and just appreciating the vibe of it. I really enjoy that, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. What do you think? If you have any more suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. Hit the bell to get the notifications when I do upload. It helps with the algorithm, guys. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.